Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today we will be discussing about the future of parking lot maintenance with IoT. Let's jump right into it. The future of parking lot maintenance with IoT. Maintaining a parking lot may seem straightforward, but ensuring its safety, accessibility, and efficiency requires continuous oversight. From lighting systems to vehicle flow, every aspect plays a critical role in enhancing user experience and security. IoT, Internet of Things, is transforming the way parking lots are maintained, enabling real-time data collection, monitoring, and automation to streamline operations. Here's how IoT is revolutionizing parking lot maintenance. Smart lighting systems. Parking lot lighting is crucial for both safety and energy efficiency. Traditionally, these lights are manually operated or rely on timers, leading to potential energy waste and inefficient lighting coverage. IoT solutions. Automated lighting. IoT-enabled lighting systems can adjust based on real-time conditions, such as daylight levels, motion detection, or scheduled events. Energy monitoring. These systems track power usage and optimize lighting patterns to reduce electricity costs. Predictive maintenance. Sensors can detect issues like flickering or dimming, notifying management before a light fails, ensuring a safe environment at all times. Proactive pavement maintenance. Parking lots endure heavy wear and tear from vehicles, leading to cracks, potholes, and surface deterioration. Traditionally, maintenance is often reactive, addressing problems only after they've worsened. IoT solutions. Surface sensors. Embedded sensors monitor pavement conditions, temperature fluctuations, and stress levels to predict when repairs are necessary. Data-driven decisions. Historical data on traffic patterns and weather conditions allows for proactive maintenance schedules, extending the lifespan of the parking lot. Automated alerts. When a sensor detects an issue, it can trigger an alert, ensuring repairs are made promptly to avoid damage escalation. Efficient water drainage and cleaning water accumulation and debris are common challenges in parking lots. Poor drainage can cause surface erosion and safety hazards. Traditional cleaning schedules may not be responsive to changing weather conditions, leading to inefficiencies. IoT solutions. Real-time monitoring. IoT sensors can track water levels, detecting any drainage issues before they become problematic. Similarly, sensors can assess debris levels, triggering cleaning schedules only when necessary. Smart pumps. Connected pumps and drainage systems can be activated automatically during heavy rainfall, preventing flooding and reducing manual intervention. Parking space optimization. Finding a parking spot can often be a challenge, leading to congestion and frustration. Inefficient use of space also increases wear on specific areas. IoT solutions. Parking sensors, IoT devices installed in parking spaces can detect availability in real time, allowing parking lot operators to optimize space usage and direct drivers to free spots via mobile apps or digital signage. Traffic flow management. These sensors can also track traffic patterns, helping operators reconfigure parking layouts or entry/exit points for maximum efficiency. Security and surveillance. Security is always a top concern for parking lot operators. Traditional surveillance systems often require manual monitoring, which can be labor-intensive and prone to error. IoT solutions. Smart cameras. IoT-enabled cameras can detect motion, recognize license plates, and even differentiate between vehicles and pedestrians. They can be integrated with parking management systems for automated access control. Remote monitoring. Facility managers can receive live feeds and alerts on their mobile devices, ensuring 24/7 surveillance even when off-site. Integrated alarm systems. Sensors detecting unusual activity, such as unauthorized vehicle entry, vandalism, or accidents, can automatically alert security personnel or trigger alarms. Air quality and pollution control. With heavy vehicle traffic, parking lots can become hubs of pollution. Ensuring good air quality in enclosed parking spaces is crucial for public health. IoT solutions. Air quality sensors. These sensors continuously monitor pollutants like CO2 and NOx, alerting operators when levels exceed safe limits. Ventilation control. In enclosed lots, IoT-based ventilation systems can automatically adjust airflow based on pollution levels, ensuring air quality is maintained without wasting energy. Cost savings and sustainability. By implementing IoT-based maintenance, parking lots can significantly reduce operational costs while becoming more environmentally friendly. IoT solutions. Energy efficiency. Automated systems for lighting, ventilation, and water management reduce waste, lowering both energy consumption and operating costs. Sustainable practices. Data-driven insights help operators make informed decisions on materials, energy use, and maintenance schedules, contributing to a greener facility. Conclusion. The integration of IoT in parking lot maintenance is reshaping how these spaces are managed. From real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance to improved security and sustainability, IoT offers numerous benefits for both operators and users. Learn this video. Helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We're looking forward to see you until then. Take care.